you are signing autographs for people, right?
It's really a testament to the popularity of the Harry Potter series that fans of a book can actually have their own fans.
That's for sure. You started it, I read on your profile that you started it when you were 12 because you were bored, basically? What was the inspiration?
Yep, you've got it. I was pretty bored. I was a pretty geeky 12-year-old.
And you were homeschooled and you were sitting at home and you decided, hey, wouldn't it be fun to have my own website? How did it become so big? What is it about your website that created such a clamoring for it?
It's one of the largest and the most comprehensive websites. There's something for every Harry Potter fan on MuggleNet.
What kind of stuff is on there?
We like to do a lot of speculation on what may happen in future books.
So what are you speculating about the fate of Harry Potter in this latest book, the last book?
Well, in the MuggleNet book, we make 3 big predictions. We think that Harry will live, we think that Snape is actually a good guy, and we think that Harry Potter is a Horcrux.
What about the stuff that's out there on the internet? You know, there's been this big controversy about that somebody has put the ending of the book actually online. Have you seen it, and do you think it's real?
Yes, I've seen it. I haven't actually read it, but it is definitely real.
Really? How do you know?
Because the person took over 600 pages of every single conceivable angle. It's way too realistic to be fake, and the writing has J.K. Rowling's fingerprints all over it.
Really? Does it make you mad that it's out there?
Yeah, it does. I don't know what this person's intentions were, but it has already spoiled the book for thousands, possibly millions of fans already. There's so many people who've seen it, even against their will.
Emerson, I read that when you go out now, people ask for your autograph because you're as big a celebrity almost as J.K. yourself.
Oh, I wouldn't go that far. I wouldn't even go close to that far. J.K. Rowling she's our hero. I'm just a guy who made a website.
Yeah. I think it's a little bit bigger than that. Okay, so what do you do? This is the final book. The final movie is coming out in a couple of years. What next?
Well, I'd like to consider myself an entrepreneur, even if I was an accidental entrepreneur at first. So my hope is that this is the first in a long string of successful ventures.
Have you made a ton of money from this thing?
I've made a good amount.
You able to pay for college at the University of Notre Dame?
Yes.
Good for you. Okay, Emerson, last question for you. What's your plan for tonight? Are you going to be waiting in line somewhere to get this book?
I'm going to be in the Chicago suburb of Oak Park, Illinois, which is host to the largest Harry Potter party in the world that we know of. It's pretty cool. The entire downtown district of the city transforms into Diagon Alley.
Wow.
I'll be hosting a discussion there.
Are you going to be dressed up?
At midnight, kind of Dick Clark style. I'll be wearing my MuggleNet uniform.
Okay.
Basically a MuggleNet t-shirt.
And we'll look for it online, I suppose, at MuggleNet.com. Emerson Sparks, congratulations on all your success. Have fun tonight. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.